morning. Very good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. Yes? Yes. Then and your breakfast. Very good. Then we will start. What is the date today, children? Today the date is 1st. Yes, we are in the month of September. Yes, August we completed. Now September, right? Is 9th month. Year 2021. Today is Wednesday. You have English subject, right? Yes. So let us see what is the thought for the day. Beautiful peoples are not always good, but good peoples are always beautiful. Okay, this is the thought for the day. Yes, children, we are in module 2. Yes. So we will start module 2 today. Yes, sorry. So we will start module 2 today. Take out your workbook part 1. Yes, children, take out page number 13. Yes, page number 13. In this we will learn sentence dictations, listen and answer, anatomies, punctuation, message writing, diary entry. This and all we will learn. Okay, how to do. Okay. First, sentence dictations. Yes. See, I have already written the sentence dictation here already, children. Please copy down in page number 13 here. Okay. Yes. See, we took a leisurely walk in the orchard. They played melancholy melodies. Okay. Then, the dying child uttered a cry of pain. The thief broke the barrier and entered sleepily. Then, always think joyous thoughts. Okay, please complete it, children. Watch the video and complete the sentence dictation. Okay, yes, then open page number 14. Here exercise 1.2, listen and answer. Yes, before going to this, I will tell one story. Okay, then only you should answer for these questions. Okay, like I will tell the story. Listen carefully, children, because you need to answer. So listen very carefully. Okay. Yes. In faraway kingdom there was a river. In the river was home to many golden swans. Every 6 months the swans would leave golden feathers as a fee for using the lake. You know, children, there was a faraway kingdom. There was one river. In that river, golden swans were living. Okay. In every 6 months, the swans were shedding their feathers. Okay. As a fee for the river, to stay in the river they need to give a fee, right? So if the feather was golden, correct? So that golden feather was given as a fee to live there. Okay, are you understanding, children? Yes. One day the homeless bird came. Okay, saw the river and came there. Okay, the water and rivers soon as cool and smooth also. Yes, the water how it was cool and it was a smoothing also. Okay, that bird what it thought, I will make my home here. Thought the bird. Okay, the bird thought, I will make a home here. Okay, as soon as the bird settled down the river, started to build the house there, then what happened? Settled down the river, the golden swan noticed her. That golden swans already staying there, right? They noticed that bird is staying there. Okay, they came shouting, near the river belongs to us. They started shouting and telling that river belongs to that golden swan, like that. Okay, then the golden feather to the king to use this river. You cannot leave here. I am homeless. Okay. It is telling that the golden feather that the swans are telling, we are shedding a golden leaf. We are giving a fee for a king. That as a king. For a king he need to pay something, right? So they are giving their feathers, golden feathers, to live in that river. So what that golden swan is telling? That swans are telling, you are not supposed to live here because we are already living here. We are paying fee also, like that. Okay. Then what that bird is telling, I am homeless, brothers. I too will pay the rent. Please give the shelter. The bird pleaded. What the bird is telling, The bird is telling, I am not having any home. So I will also pay the rent. Okay, I will also pay the rent. Please let me stay here. Like that, the bird is asking to the golden swans. Okay, how will you pay the rent? You don't have golden feathers. See what the birds are telling, the swans are telling, you don't have golden feathers. Then how you will pay? Like that, the swans are asking. Okay, laughing. They are laughing and asking. Okay. That bird again it is pleasing. Please, I will stay here. Leave me to stay here. Like that, the bird is pleasing. Okay. But the swans is not agreeing for this. Okay. Then what they did? The swans drew the bird away. It drew away means they threw that bird away, pushed away. Okay. Then what happened? I will teach them a lesson, decided the humiliated bird. What that bird thought? It will decide to give one lesson for them. Okay. So it decided and it went to the king. Okay. It went to the king and said, "O king, the swans in our river are impolite and unkind and went for shelter, but they said they had purchased the river. Golden feathers." The king was what? By giving the golden feathers. So they told they have purchased that river. Already they have taken that river for themselves only. Yes, they have already paid for that. Like that, the birds, the swans are telling, see how cruel they are. Like that, it went and told to the king. Okay. Then the king got angry. What happened? The king got angry. Okay. Then and ordered the soldiers. What the king did? He ordered the soldiers to bring that swans to the court. Okay, court. Then in no time, all golden swans brought the king's court. All the swans were brought to the court, and what happened? You cannot decide who lives in the river. Leave the river at once, or I will head," shouted the king. What the king told? You should not decide who should stay in that river. I should only decide. Like that, what the king told. So it shouted, now only leave the river and go. Like that, the king given the orders for that swans. Okay. The swans showered in fear. They got feared and they are showering, shaking like this. And they flew away. Then again they didn't return. Okay. Then the bird lived there happily. That bird lived happily there. Whoever comes near that river, whatever birds comes to that river, this bird left them to stay here. It lived to stay here. Okay. This is the story. Are you heard clearly, children? Now I will ask the question. You should tell me. Okay. Yes. Page number 14. So what was the king? See. What was the fee given by the swans for using the lake? What the swans gave to live in that river, what it gave? Golden feathers. See here it is. Write down here D, option D. Okay. Then what did the homeless bird plan to do? What it did? Make the river its home. It planned to make the river as a home. Okay. Write B. Then, why did golden swans refuse to give shelter to homeless bird? Why they refused? I will not give any shelter like that. Why that swan told? Because it did not have golden feathers. It was not having golden feathers. That's why they didn't agree. Okay, right, C. Then, what did the homeless bird do after she was insulted by the swans? What happened after insulting? She went to the king with her complaint. Okay. So, B. Write down B. Then, how did the king punish the golden swan? How he punished? He ordered them to leave the river. Okay. That only he punished. Right A. Yes, children. Then next. Anatomies. Okay. Complete the crossword puzzle with the anatomies for the given in the clues. You can also use the picture as hints. See, you should do this. This is your homework. Very easy. You should do. Downward means like this. Okay. Then across means like this. Okay. So you will read this sentence, then you will do. Even pictures, using pictures also you can write what it is. Okay. This is your homework. Okay, then fill in the blanks with the anatomies of the words given in the bracket. Then color the symbols next to the correct option. One is done for you. See, it is very warm here. Cool, instead of cool, warm, right? So warm is the correct answer. So they have colored and they have written warm. You also should write like that. This is also your homework. Okay, please meet me dash dinner, after dinner or during dinner, at dinner, before dinner. Which? Before. Okay, that you will write. Then dash to my room, go. They have given go. What you will write? Come, going, look. Which you will write? Opposite of go is come. That you can write. This dress is very dash, cheap. They have given cheap. The opposite of the cheap is expensive. Okay, this you should write. Then he came dash in the race, last. What is the opposite for last? First. Okay, you should color also, children. Then here, which is correct option, there you should color. Okay. Then he travels by bus. Never. Never, opposite is always. Okay, that you should write and color it. Okay. Then grammar. Grammar, punctuation. Already you know the punctuations. Already I told you. See, Rohan received an email from his pen friend in Thiruvananthapuram. He opened the mail in excitement. Here is email. Email is here. The friend has sent. His friend Rohan has sent. Okay. His friend is sent to Rohan. Then what he written in that letter? I, Rohan. You have to write capital letter always starting, right? So capital H. See, I already written here for you to give the hint. What you should do? You have to write here in a correct passage. Okay. So I will show you how to write. Here capital letter, then copy as it is. Rohan also is a capital name, right? Proper noun. So R also capital you should write. Then here also H is capital it should be. Then how are you? It is a question. So put question mark. Then I. Always I you should start with capital letter. Right? I. Want to invite you to the Onam. Okay. O is capital. Onam is proper noun. Then celebrations at my home. Out at my house. Then full stop. Then again Onam, right? So capital O is an important harvest festival. Then full stop. Then I you should write in capital letter. It is celebrated for 10 days. Then full stop. Not full, yes children, full stop. Then Y, Yippee, capital Y. Then you need to put exclamation mark here, Yippee, because that is an feeling, excitement, right? That. So you have to use exclamatory mark. Then I am so excited to think that you may join us for Onam. Onam again O capital. This year, then full stop. Then you will use capital letter D. D-O, do. Tell me about your plans. Waiting. Okay, waiting should be in capital because that sentence completed. Again you are starting the new sentence. Then capital letter. Waiting eagerly to hear from you. Then Rajam, R, capital letter because it is a name. Okay, like this cleanly you need to write it in the passage here. Again you should rewrite. Okay, where and all capital letter, where and all full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark, full stop, everything I showed you, right? Now you should write here. This is also homework. Now only mention it, homework. Okay, then next what we have punctuation marks. Okay. Punctuation marks are the traffic signals of writing. Okay, they help us to pause, stop and start our sentence. Yes, like a traffic signal only these punctuation marks also. Okay, which will make us to pause, stop and start our sentence also. They are symbols that make and return message clearly and reduce miscommunication. So miscommunication will not happen if you use these correct punctuation marks. Okay, they are used to structure and organize writing. They use us to structure and organize writing. Now let us revise the punctuation marks that we have learned till now. Till now which we have learned that we are going to revise. Full stop. I am placed at the end of the sentence or statement. Whichever sentence, statement we are writing, we will end with the full stop. Okay. Example, I will travel tomorrow. It is too late to travel today. Like that. Okay. Then comma. I am used to separate 3 or more words. Okay. There we will use comma or items in a list. Okay. For that we will use comma. If example you are taking pen, pencil, crayons like that, right? So that you have to put one comma there. Okay. Example, he bought vegetables, milk, fruits and cheese. Like that. They have given the items list. So we need to put comma there. Okay. Then I am used to separate the person addresses from the rest of the sentence. Example, Rohan, sit down. Yes, there we need to put comma. Rohan, after we need to put one comma. Because we are stopping the sentence there. Then again we are starting, right? So we need to use comma there. Okay. Then question mark. Yes, page number 18. Question mark. What is question mark? I am placed at the end of the question. Whatever question is there, at the end we will use question mark. Okay, example, where are you going? What are you doing? When you are coming? Yes, like this we are asking the question, right? So we will use question mark over there. Then exclamation mark. I am placed at the end of the sentence that shows emotions. Where the emotion sentence is coming back, there we will use exclamation mark. Okay. Example like happiness. When you are happy, you are telling something, you are telling something. There we need to use exclamation mark. Excitement also. Then frustration also or anger also. Yes. So we will use that. When something feeling we are telling, right? We are telling our feeling, right? That time we need to use exclamation mark. Okay. Example, wow, this room is big. Like that we will say, alas, hooray, wow. For this and all we will use exclamation mark. Okay. Are you understanding, children? And it is placed of the interjection. And interjection is used to express a sudden burst of feeling of emotion. Something emotion, something feeling when we are bursting it out, right? That we are using this exclamation mark. Okay. Yes. Then some words always start with a capital letter. Yes, some words will start with capital letter. Remember the acronym. You should remember that acronym. What is that acronym? MINTS. Okay. For the correct usage of capital letters, where and all we need to use capital letters, this acronym MINTS will help us. Okay. M means months, names of the days, names of the months also. That comes there we should use capital. Then for the word I also we need to use capital letter. N means names of the person, place, person, cities, or states, countries, and all proper nouns we need to use N. That is N. You should remember name we should give proper. Then we should use capital letter over there. Okay. Then T, titles of books and movies also. Any title you are telling of the book, or if you are telling any movie name also, it should start from capital letter. Then yes, that also starts from sentence. Okay, starts of sentence. Any sentence you are starting, you should start with the capital letter. Okay. Yes. Hope you are understanding. Yes, children. Yes. Today I think this is enough. Then you have to complete homework page number 15. 16 and 17. Page number 15, 16 and 17 is your homework. Complete it and you should send it in the group for correction. Yes, children? Yes. Then today this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.